Creating a Confluence space is an essential step in organizing your team's documentation and project information. A space acts as a container for related content such as pages, blogs, and files. Here's how to create a Confluence space. Access Confluence Home. Start by logging into your Confluence account. Once logged in, you will land on the Confluence homepage. Initiate space creation. On the left-hand side, you will see a sidebar with the option labeled Spaces. Click on this and then select Create a Space from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use the Create button at the top of the page and select Space. Choose Space Type. Confluence offers different types of spaces depending on your needs, such as Team Space, Documentation Space, Knowledge Base, or a blank space. Select the type that best fits your project or team requirements. Set space details. Enter a name for your space, which should be descriptive of its content or purpose. Confluence will automatically generate a space key, but you can customize it if needed. Set permissions. Define who can view, edit, or administer the space. You can set permissions for individual users, groups, or keep it open for everyone in your organization. Create the space. Once you've set the details and permissions, click on the Create button to finalize the space creation.